Okay. You ready? Will you tell me about going to the corn maze?
Yeah.
What did you see?
Goats.
What else did you get to see?
Chicken.
What else?
And swat.
And what?
And swat.
Okay, and what else did you do when you were at the corn maze? Tell me all about it.
And swings. And the singing. And hay. And cooling.
What else?
And a yellow slide, and the yellow slide was dirty, so Mommy cleaned it off, and I showed Marshall get up.
No.
Up those thingies. I'm see.
What else did you get to do at the corn maze? You can look at the end. What else did you get to do?
Feed the goats.
You can ask questions.
And milk the cow.
You got to milk a cow?
Yeah.
How was that?
Goody. And Miss Brandy took all the water in so we could milk the cow.
Oh.
Did you eat any cows?
No.
Did you try to? Did you think about it?
I did milk the cow.
Did you think about eating a cow?
No, it was a pretend cow. We milked it.
Oh. Seeing hippies?
No.